Welcome back, students. Now we will first discuss some general formula for integration. Then we will discuss the questions related to them. Before this, we have studied the simple formulas of integration of constant term. So first we will revise them. Integration of a constant means 1 with respect to x is x plus c. Integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Integration of e to the power x is e to the power x plus c. Integration of 1 by x is log x, and remember base is e plus c. Integration of a to the power x with respect to x is a to the power x over, we have to divide by log a, base e plus c. Then there are formulas for integration of trigonometric functions like integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Integration of differentiation of tan x, we know that is sec square x. So integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x plus c. Sec x tan x, we know that differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. So integration of sec x tan x will be sec x plus c. Integration of cosec x into cot x is equal to minus cosec x plus c. So these formulas we have studied, and we have also studied the formulas, direct formulas of differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions, which are derived from the differentiation of sin inverse x. We know that is differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So if we find the integration of 1 upon root 1 minus x square with respect to x, it will be sin inverse x plus c. Differentiation of tan inverse x, we know that is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x. So dx upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. And differentiation of sec inverse x is 1 upon x root x square minus 1. So integration of 1 upon x root x square minus 1 equals to sec inverse x plus c. Okay. So we have studied the simple formulas of these types. Now we will study some modification in these three formulas also. So in place of 1 upon root 1 minus x square equals to sin inverse x, if it is 1 upon root a square minus x square dx. So remember this formula, it will be sin inverse of x by a plus c. Now we can use this formula directly to find the integration of terms like, if it is given dx upon under root 4 minus x square. So we will direct write the integration as sin inverse x by 2 plus c. Complete. Similarly, if it is dx upon a square plus x square, like we have studied one formula in this. Integration of dx upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. But in place of this, if it is a square plus x square, so it will be 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. For example, if it is given that find the integration of dx upon 16 plus x square. So you directly write value of a is 4. 1 by 4 tan inverse x by 4 plus c. In a square root of under root a square minus a square, 1 upon under root a square minus a square, there is no 1 by a, but in integration of dx upon a square plus x square, we are finding 1 by a. You can prove all these formula if in left hand side we have discussed this in previous session that whenever there is a square root of a square minus x square, we can take x equals to a sine theta. So if you take x equals to a sine theta, you can prove this formula easily. And you have to learn this formula. This is a general rule. And in this also is there is a square plus x square. So if we substitute x equals to a tan theta, we can prove this formula also. So prove, and if you are not getting, then ask in comment box. If there is dx upon x root x square minus a square, so we can write 1 by a. Remember, this also has 1 by a. So only one formula, sin inverse x by a. That is 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx doesn't have 1 by a as the coefficient. Otherwise, other two have the coefficient. Hope you must have understood these methods. Or you can prove them also. There is an easy method to prove it. That in first, what I have told you, if you want to prove under root of a square minus x square, what should you should put x equals to a sine theta. This we have studied in inverse trigonometric functions also. If you differentiate dx equals to a cos theta d theta, so write them in numerator only. So in place of this dx, it will be a cos theta d theta. And in the denominator, under root a square minus, in place of x, it is a sine theta whole square. So this a in the numerator will be cancelled out in this case. As when we take it common, a square, so it is 1 minus sine square theta. Clearly, it is a cos theta in the numerator, d theta, over, don't forget to write d theta, over a square into 1 minus sine square theta becomes cos square theta. So it is integration of a cos theta d theta over integration of square root of a square cos square theta is also a cos theta. This a cos theta cancelled out. So we are getting only integration of d theta, that is theta plus c. Now what about this theta? As we have assumed that x equals to a sin theta. So if you find the value of theta by dividing this a to both sides, x by a equals to sin theta. So it gives sin inverse x by a equals to theta. So when the answer is theta plus c, we can write sin inverse of x by a plus c as the answer. Similarly, you can prove other two also. For example, of question this for dx upon a square plus x square. If you put x equals to a tan theta, you can prove it. In this, if you put x equals to a sec theta, you can prove it. Okay. Now, some more formulas are again there, like this dx upon under root of x square minus a square. Dx upon under root of a square plus x square. These two formulas. So it is log, remember, x plus root x square minus a square plus c. One more, log x plus root a square plus x square plus c. So write all these formulas and learn them also. Integration of tan theta with respect to theta is minus log cos theta plus c, or we can also write log, as we know that this power or this coefficient minus 1 when is raised to the power minus 1, cos theta to the power minus 1 means 1 by cos theta. So it becomes log sec theta plus c. Then integration of cot theta d theta equals to log sin theta plus c. Then integration of sec theta d theta equals to log sec theta plus tan theta plus c. Then, or you can write in terms of x also. If we write x, so we have to write x in all places. like this, 10x dx. So log cos x or log sec x. Integration of cot x dx is log sin x plus c. Integration of sec x dx is log sec x plus 10x plus c. Integration of cosec x dx equals to log modulus cosec x minus cot x plus c. So remember, if you want to prove all these formulas, these all are very important. So let's start proving question number, formula number 3 first of all. As these two formulas will use the result of 5th and 6th. So how to prove integration of 10x dx equals to minus log cos x? Any guess? Using substitution method. First write it sin x by cos x. Now put t equals to cos x. So dt equals to minus sin x dx. So in the numerator, we are observing that sin x dx is already there. So it will be replaced by minus dt. So minus dt equals to sin x dx. So it now becomes in place of sin x dx minus dt. And denominator cos x equals to t. So minus integration of dt by t. So it is minus log t. And whenever there is log, always use modulus plus c. So minus log t is mod cos x. Why do you use modulus in mod log? As log is defined for only positive numbers. This we have discussed in the topic functions. So minus log cos x plus c is the integration of 10x, or we can even write log. If this minus 1 is removed from the coefficient, it goes to the power. This is the property of log, means log 1 by cos x, and we know that 1 by cos x is sec x. So it is log sec x plus c, which is the integration of 10x, which we have written as the formula 3. Next, now we will prove formula number 4, integration of cot x dx. So first of all, what we should do, we write cos x by sin x dx, and then put sin x equals to t. So its differentiation is cos x dx equals to dt. It doesn't have minus, so it will be easier than the previous one. Cos x dx is dt and sin x is t, and dt by t integration is log t plus c, and t is sin x. So log modulus of sin x plus c. This we have written above. That integration of cot x is log modulus of sin x plus c. Now how to prove this formula of integration of sec x? So let's now discuss that. Integration of sec x dx, formula number 5. To integrate this, the one thing which we have to do is, remember, we will multiply by sec x plus 10x, and we will divide by sec x plus 10x. Some questions are such that we have to learn their methods. This is also at the same time. On multiplying sec square x plus sec x into 10x, if you prove it once or twice, you will understand why we are multiplying and dividing by sec x plus 10x. So if we now put t equals to the denominator sec x plus 10x, so on differentiating, what we get, dt equals to differentiation of sec x is sec x 10x, and differentiation of 10x is sec square x, and dx is also there. Now if we take sec x common, it is tan x plus sec x dx. So dt can be replaced by sec x into sec x plus tan x, which is in the numerator. You can watch it. This, there is no need to take even common, or from first line we can use it. It is dt upon differentiation is t only. So its integration is log t. So even this term is also not required. To integrate sec x, what we should do first of all, we have to multiply by sec x plus tan x, divide by sec x plus tan x. Put t equals to sec x plus tan x, it is giving dt equals to sec x tan x plus sec square x. So if we take sec x common, it is giving tan x plus sec x dx, which is the numerator. So dt by t, denominator is sec x plus tan x, which is log t plus c. And t we have assumed sec x plus tan x. So integration of sec x is log modulus sec x plus tan x plus c. So you have guessed how to prove integration of cosec x. You must have guessed this, I think. What should we multiply and divide to find the integration of cosec x? We will multiply the numerator with cosec x plus cot x and divide the denominator also with cosec x plus cot x. And then we will put this denominator cosec x plus cot x equals to t. Then if we differentiate both sides, differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, and differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x, and dx equals to dt. So if we take minus cosec x common, it is giving cot x plus cosec x, which is the numerator of our question, and equals to dt. So if we substitute it now, so numerator is minus dt and denominator is t only. So integration is minus log t plus c, and t is cosec x minus cot x plus c. So after understanding this, we can change this term, the formula, the previous log sec x plus tan x. We can write it 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x plus c. That is 1 plus sin x upon cos x plus c. That is what? So it will give one more formula for integration of sec x. Till now we have assumed log 1 plus sin x over cos x plus c. So how to simplify it? If you now write it cos in place of this plus, if we write minus. These all questions are very important. These are not only the formula, but these are the questions also. So if we use cos pi by 2 plus x, we know that cos pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x. So in place of sin x, if we write cos pi by 2 plus x means minus cos pi by 2 plus x. And in denominator also we have to change the same. So sin pi by 2 plus x, and we know that it is equal to cos x. So we can write log. Now if we use formula for 1 minus cos 2a is 2 square a. So this is 2 sin square pi by 4 plus x by 2 over denominator sin 2a. 2 sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 into cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. So 2 will be cancelled out. One of the sign will be cancelled out. So it results in log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. So remember this formula also as the formula for integration of sin x. Integration of sec x. Log integration of sec x is log sec x plus tan x, and one more formula is log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Similarly, this can also give the formula log 10x by 2 plus c. It is easier to prove it if we change it to sine and cos. So it gives 1 minus cos x by sine x plus c, and then write directly minus log 2 sine square x by 2 over 2 sine. Minus is already there, so there will be no minus in this, remember. And we have written the formula also the same, that